Okay, here's something I've been working on for ember-cli. It's extremely prototypey and pretty fragile, but it's going to demonstrate capturing the responses from the proxy server and saving those as fixtures and then serving them up the second time around. So inside my ember-cli application, I'm going to start it up with the proxy server. Oops. And I'll start my proxy server. So the first time I go and run this, it's going to be pretty slow. That's because this is not really optimized yet. It's doing a lot of file system writes and reads, so that can probably be cleaned up later. But what we'll notice is that in our test directory, if I refresh this, inside fixtures/proxy, there is now new tests, new fixture files. The name of these fixture files take the they are under the directory of the module name from QUnit, and then each of the file names themselves are the test names. And inside each of these files are going to be just the response fixtures. So now if I were to refresh this and run it the second time, it's much faster. So this is using Pretender by Trek, and it's actually aggregating all of those responses and building out per instance Pretender servers and serving them up. If you make multiple requests to the same URL during the same test run, it will actually offset each one. So if you have, let's say you have a list, you're hitting an index, and the first time around you expect 3 items, and then you go and create an item, and then the second time around you expect 4 items, it will properly respond with that. But keep in mind that it's going to create a unique response for each one. So I will probably spend some time extracting this out, but right now it seems like it's pretty useful.